Hi and welcome to So Much to See. Each week we aim to bring you along with us as we travel Australia. Joe and I hope that we inspire you, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. Let's see where we are off to in this episode.
In part 1 of this series, we travel along a dirt-covered road to a place somewhere in South Australia. I am sorry I can't disclose the exact location because it is located on a privately owned sheep station, and although there is public access, I don't want the location known because of vandalism or damage to property or to the livestock that roams around. Nestled deep in the heart of the countryside, far from the beaten path, lies a relic of a bygone era. An abandoned property that once stood as the centerpiece of a bustling sheep farm. This farm, like many others in the region, was once alive with the sounds of livestock, hard work and family life. But today, it sits quietly, slowly being reclaimed by nature.
Oh wow, that is so cool.
Like many rural properties, this farm was more than just a house. It was a network of barns, sheds, and outbuildings that supported a thriving sheep farming operation. But over the years, harsh weather, economic challenges, and changing times have taken their toll. Today, this property stands as a testament to resilience and the relentless passage of time. It is a stark reminder of the many stories that unfold in these remote corners of the world. Stories of struggle, survival, and the inevitable return of nature. Perhaps one day these walls will tell their story to someone new. But for now they rest, waiting for the next chapter in their quiet, forgotten tale. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore another forgotten corner of the world. Stay tuned as we will discover another abandoned property in next week's episode, and this time we just may have a surprise for you.
Such a great spot. Had so much fun there.
Thank you for watching, and if you have made it this far, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel more than you know. Also, we have our own merchandise available. The link will be in the description below.